And at the top of the course, straight into the German run. I'm not sure why these guys are fourth off, but they are absolutely great paddlers. Konrad Ginzel, Philipp Suess, and Benjamin Keys. The Germans are no strangers to amazing teams runs. We saw the German women's C1 under-23 team take the win just now. Can the under-23 men match that? They're certainly up on the split, but we have plenty of fast nations still to come. In touch in the middle of the course, these paddlers are working well together, giving each other space, but keeping that speed on the boat. Setting up well, pushing hard and high into the upstreams, which is what you need to do to hold a run together on this course. Germany charging for the finish line. Will this be a time that stands the test of the teams to come? A clean run, which is absolutely phenomenal. 96.23 for the Germans, into the lead, 20 seconds ahead of Canada. There aren't many clean runs in the teams on this course, so that should stand the test. We'll see